this game I'm lost. Baby, I know at home I'd be better off. But instead I'm in this party, stuck thinking about shorty. Debo passed me a cup, I took a sip, it's Bacardi.
What's going on, F30 gang? It's your boy Six. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I got a quick one for y'all. I'm about to talk about my interior stuff that I've done since I didn't get this in the walk around, guys. But to start with, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say it's nothing major that I've done so far. Like, it's only like 2 things I've done, but they pretty fire though. They pretty fire. So the first thing I'll go ahead and say is I wrapped my interior in carbon fiber vinyl, guys. Yes, I did it on my own. A lot of people tell me, like, bro, you didn't do it on your own. You couldn't do that. You couldn't do a wrap job like that. Like, you don't know how to wrap stuff in vinyl. I didn't, but it's really not that hard. It literally took me like 30 minutes, guys. And let me tell you, it's almost like you really just like wrapping the present. It's like you wrapping the present, and you just got to get a few tools. You got to get a few tools to do the job. But let me go ahead and show you guys the wrap job I actually did, and we'll talk about more about it. So yeah, guys, y'all see the wrap job. Am I all right? Did I do okay? I feel like I did straight. First time ever wrapping something. But yeah, let me tell y'all guys what y'all need to do the job and really how to do it. So like I said, so it's really like you wrapping the present for real. So you just want to take the vinyl, You just want to take the vinyl and, like, when you lay it across it. So okay, first things first, let me tell y'all gotta grab this trim tool kit. So I grabbed it off of Amazon. Probably like 10 bucks. I think it was like 10 bucks. And then also you get the vinyl off Amazon as well. So you can get vinyl for like 10 bucks, like for like a 5-foot roll, like a foot wide. So it's pretty cheap. And then when you get the vinyl, they come with a little card, it's like a little card that allows you to lay the vinyl down flat. And also another thing you're gonna have to get, guys, is a heat gun. So you got to get a little heat gun, probably gonna be like 25 to 30 bucks. You get that off Amazon as well. That's where I got mine from, cheap little heat gun. And when you put the heat to the vinyl, as you laying it down, it kind of lays it flat down, kind of makes it suction. Like, the heat makes the vinyl stretch and lay down on whatever you're working on, and allows it to stick onto it. And then you just use the card to flatten it off, guys. And then at the end, you just get an X-Acto knife, guys, and take the X-Acto knife and just trim it off, peel the excess off, and then you got a perfect wrap job. So let me tell y'all, it's really not that hard, guys. Like, look, I did pretty straight. First time wrapping. Come on, guys, don't hate on me now. Don't hate on me. First time wrapping. I'll drop the links, the Amazon links to the stuff you guys need in the description to do this wrap job if y'all want to do it. If y'all tired of that wood grain and you want your car to look a little bit more sporty, guys, you feel me? Give y'all a sportier look. You dig what I'm saying? I was not going for that wood grain, ride around like an old man and shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the next mod I did, guys, if y'all ain't see it already, is this bad boy right here. Ooh, blue start stop button. That's mean. This is a quick mod. Like, you can get this start stop button off Amazon as well for like 10 bucks. I think that's how much mine was. And basically, you use the trim tool set as well. So you stick it on the trim tools up in here around the edge, and this whole piece right here pops out, guys. So then you just pop it out, pop out the old start stop button and pop the blue one right in, and you can just plug it back into the cord that's behind this piece right here and plug it right back in, and that's it. Simple. And tell me this don't make my car like faster though. Like, that one mod right there made my car like 20 miles an hour faster. Like, now I can get up to like 180, you feel me? Now I got 180 on the dash instead of 160 just because of this button, you feel me? Just because of this button. Now I look like I'm in like some type of M3, M4 type deal. But yeah, I'll also drop the link to the button in the bio, and I mean, not the bio, in the description as well if y'all want that. But yeah, guys, those are the 2 things that I've already done. So let me go ahead and tell y'all, I do have some other things planned. So I got I'm getting a carbon like sticker cover for my for the gear shifter. I got a cover for it. So It's like a carbon cover that goes on top, kind of like my shark fin I got on the roof. It's like a cover, just sticks on top, and it sticks over this silver part. So this whole silver part will be carboned out, and then as well as this down here, it's another sticker they have you just stick on. So this will be carbon, and I think it's like the glossy carbon too. It's not like this carbon I have, it's like that actual glossy carbon that's like in the M3s and stuff like that. So that's another small thing I'm gonna do to it. Also, I might do some things with the screen as well. I might get the newer screen, the wider one, and get that with the Apple CarPlay and stuff like that. So I just get a little bit more upgrade on the technology. But as far as that goes, I mean, that's really the only things I have planned for the interior. I might do some more ambient lighting stuff, like upgrade the ambient lighting in here or something like that. But yeah, all I've done so far, I've done the vinyl and the push start. I did the door handles. I did not do the door handles in the back though, guys, because let me tell y'all, them door handles is no joke. Taking off those door handles is pressure. Like, it took me so long. I literally was like, yeah, I'm not doing the back. I'm straight on it. I'm cooling it. But yeah, hope you guys like this video, guys. If you guys like this video, give me a like or a thumbs up. If y'all guys like any of my content, give me a follow, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. You know, guys, I got my car page going, trying to hit 200 followers. We just passed 100. So we getting somewhere. We about to hit 50 subs on the channel. So I appreciate everybody who's been watching my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing. That means a lot to me, guys. Tell your friends about the channel, because you know that can go a long way. One person tell the next person, then they tell somebody, then boom, boom, boom. Then everybody watching the channel, we growing the channel. But yeah, guys, like I said though, I appreciate y'all. Like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's get it.